Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to install Microsoft 365 web apps using Edge browser on your Windows 10 PC. For your information only, you can always use free version of Microsoft 365 using any web browser. However, if you prefer to install Microsoft 365 apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Outlook on your Windows 10 PC, then first open your Edge browser and then navigate to the link that you will find in this video description. I have included Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook links in this video description. Visit any link you want to install as a web app and then click on this one triple dots menu. Now select apps and then click on this one option, install this site as an app. Then click on this one install button. Now you can install other apps as web apps using similar method. After installing any of the app, it will appear under a start menu. Just click on this one, a start menu, and you will find the app you have installed. Just click on this one app to open it as an app. Also, if you have installed any app, you can access all the apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook from the same window. Such as I have installed Word as an app and I want to open Excel. Just click on this one Excel option in the left sidebar. This will display Excel options. You can create and manage Excel workbook from here. And in case you want to uninstall the installed web apps, click on this one start button again and then click on settings. Under Windows 10 settings, click on this one apps option. Then click on apps and features in the left sidebar. On the right, search for apps you have installed or scroll down to the list of apps you have installed and you want to uninstall. For instance, I have installed Word, Microsoft 365. Just click on this one entry and then click on this one uninstall button. Again, click on this one uninstall button. This will remove particular web app from your Windows 10 PC. That's all about this video. Bye.